In front of me is Nokia 5.1 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first, open the list of all applications from which you should select the settings. Now scroll down until you see security and location and select it. And now pick fingerprint. So as you can see, if you truly want to unlock your device with fingerprint, click on next. And now just pick some backup to your screen lock, as it can be pattern, pin code or the password. So let me pick pattern. And if you would like, you can also have a secure startup, but I do not want to have it. So let's enter the backup for our fingerprint. So that would be this kind of pattern. L letter, confirm. And now decide if you would like to see all notifications once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive content, or if you want to see them at all. So let me pick the last option and click on done. And finally, you have to touch the sensor on the back of your cover. So let me turn the device around, and here you've got the sensor. So just keep tapping. Slightly lift up your finger and touch it again until it's fully added. So as you can see, I'm still tapping. And that's it. As you can see, the fingerprint has been added. So click on done. And from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. If I will touch it, it's automatically activated. And then also, if you will borrow someone your phone, he can or she enter this pattern to unlock your Nokia 5.1. So that's basically all. This is how you can add a fingerprint to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.